Hi, Deadlock's here again, and in that short I may have been a little bit harsh to the lads that done DefCon, but that's just because something has changed in the YUIL handcuffs. The cuffs that they were referring to had internals that looked like this. I noticed that double lock is literally just a spring. At some point before they made these ones, they changed that double lock into a double locking bar that looks like this.
Transition.
Distraction.
You're breaking my concentration. You're distracting me.
So now that the double lock bar is a solid bar, it does have enough mass for the whack attack to work, but it does take a fair old whack. So I wouldn't advise this on your wrist unless you really have to, because
Really would hurt.
yes it would. So it does take a fair old whack, but whack attack does work on the modern YUIL at least. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.